Are Facebook videos looking blurry or low quality? Here's how to adjust your Facebook video quality settings for a better viewing experience. First, open the Facebook app on your iPhone or Android device. Next, tap the menu icon. Depending on your device, it may be located in the bottom right or top left corner of the screen. Now, scroll down and tap Settings and Privacy. Then select Settings. In the Settings menu, scroll down and tap Media. Here you'll find the video quality option. If it's currently set to Data Saver, Facebook may lower the video resolution to reduce data usage. For clearer and sharper videos, switch the setting to Optimize. This allows Facebook to automatically adjust video quality based on your connection while providing a better viewing experience. You can also check the autoplay setting. If it's set to never autoplay, consider changing it to on Wi-Fi and mobile data or on Wi-Fi only, depending on your preference. Once you've updated these settings, Facebook videos should appear much clearer and play in higher quality whenever available. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more Facebook tips and tutorials.